Hi guys, I'm Nilanjana and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a product review of a charcoal face mask. So let's see whether it's a yay from my side or a nay. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. As you can see that I'm dressed in, it's an Indian attire with bindi and everything. You can understand that festive season is just around the corner. Rather, Durga Puja is just maybe few more days, and we'll be celebrating the puja, but not in that grandeur way. But of course, yeah, puja hai, so definitely thoda prep of the skin to banta hi hai. Because of that reason, few weeks back rather, I just went to a departmental store to try out a charcoal face mask, because there has been so much hype about the charcoal products. I wanted to try it myself. So when I went there, I was a little apprehensive in trying a charcoal peel off face mask, because that is it really hurts on the skin, and just before the festive season I never wanted to take any kind of risk as far as my skin is concerned, because what if I break out? So the person in the counter, she suggested that why don't you go for instead of a peel off face mask, why don't you go for a face pack. So yes guys, I have so today I'm going to review about the charcoal face pack. Now let me talk about the packaging. It comes, the net quantity is 100 gram and the price is 350 rupees. So once I got back home, I checked a couple of websites, shopping sites rather, and I saw that in Amazon I paid for this 350, and in Amazon it is in a much lesser cost you can get it. So don't worry, I will be putting the link in the description box. If any of y'all are interested to buy this, y'all can check out the link. Now this product claims to be a whitening and a detoxifying charcoal face pack. Well, I'm not going to talk about the whitening part, because we are born with natural skin tones, and whatever it is, whitening, to be it any of the brands, no one can change your natural skin tone, right? Of course, brightening is a different thing than whitening. So I can talk about the detoxifying. Now, as it claims that this is a product which detoxifies your skin. Now, this is one product with 9 benefits, and this is something which is written here, So this says that one product with 9 skin benefits. Generally what happens is when we use a certain face pack, and after washing the face pack with lukewarm water, very important. So when we wash our face, we feel a certain amount of drying effect on the skin, and we look out for a hydrating moisturizer immediately. But to be honest, guys, I'm not exaggerating at all. With this particular face mask, I did not feel the need of moisturizing my skin immediately, because it doesn't have a drying effect at all. It did not even tug my skin, pull my skin. I was feeling very, very hydrated from within. The reason, because this particular product is infused with essential oils. Now there are various kind of oils like neem oil, sandalwood oil, eucalyptus oil, orange oil, and Moroccan Gesol clay. I think I've pronounced it right. Tea tree oil. So these are the various oils that are infused in this product, and when you apply the product, you will get a fragrance of the camphor smell, the kind of smell that you get, and it's a very minty camphor smell, and it has a cooling effect on your skin. So yes, I have applied it and have tried and tested this product various times, and it even claims that use this twice a week. So it's been quite some time. It's been like almost 6-7 times that I've used the product. Definitely, again, immediate effect, as in what kind of effect it has on the skin. A skincare product needs to be used months and months, and after that only a person will be able to understand that what is the difference. You can feel the difference, and people can see the difference. But immediate effect jo mere ko dikha is like it did not have any drying effect. I did not have any kind of irritation or ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. So because of that reason, I can definitely vouch for this product, and it's a yay from my end. It's just that you know, since I bought it from a store, the cost was 350, and online shopping the cost is little bit less compared to what I bought. Other than that, I'm very happy with this product, and I think even after this gets over, I am surely going to buy a second one. Now let's quickly see my application when I applied it and the after effects. Very important thing I need to tell you all, that activated charcoal, since it's very rich in minerals, it cleanses our skin, makes our pores, you know, it tightens our pores, it reduces wrinkles. If there is any kind of skin discoloration, that also, you know, it helps reducing the skin discoloration. And lastly, it also helps in reducing premature aging. So if any one of you all are interested to buy this, please do not hesitate, go and buy it. No wonder, you know, there is so much hype about activated charcoal in the form of maybe peel off face mask or face pack. Okay friends, with this I come to the end of another video wherein I have given you a full review of the beautiful charcoal face mask from the company Vlcc. So if you all have enjoyed watching my video, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do click on the bell icon because you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. Do follow me on my Instagram, and with this it's a wrap. I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep smiling. Love you guys. Bye bye.